want to try to keep everything the same level, because if you have a little bit of a ledge you leave in there, it stops the wedge movement. So I want to show you stacking. Not like this. Go in this way. Tall pine trees here in Ohio. We're at the Muskegon Watershed. An opening, they're going to be putting up some buildings in here, so we've got a kind of a perimeter around here, some long tall pine trees to take down, and got about 12 guys. We'll be working to get this spot cleared out around the edge. They left these for training, and the contractor's coming back in to clean them up, and they'll start the building process. Don't change your position. Take your brake off, back up to where you were, and start on that corner right there, and then you can look right around. Look at where you corner. There you go. There you go. Back down just a little bit. Nice. Trim that out just a little. Okay? Ready for your bore cut. Got about right on that side, but you're way thick on this side. You got a little diamond in the middle there, so straighten it up. Okay. Whoa. Don't cut it off over there. So you got it set. Now, really, if you need lifting power, you're gonna want to take that back as far as you can. So what you can do is you can pull your saw out halfway and go out, or you can turn the saw more this way, leave it holding over here, or cut it this way and put your wedge in over there. But you got to make sure you got it still holding there. If you take too much down, and this is pretty thick bark here, if you take too much, it'll sit back.
That's why I left it a little thicker. I didn't think there was too much bark on it.
But the closer you are to your wedge, to your hinge with the wedge, you got to hit. Okay, so you got it in there now. So now you just trim off that that's holding in the back and drive the wedge. Drive your wedge now. Yeah, let's put one more in the back. You want, you can bring this other one, they're close to that one now. And so you hit one and then the other, one and then the other. That tree's got a lot of back lean.
It's going now.
You want me to hammer? You okay?
Yep.
Oh, you got her now. You got the wind behind you. All right, let's go. You got the wind behind you now.
That's what I meant to put right there.
About got it. Today we're up at Pleasant Hills Lake up near Perrysville, Ohio. And we have a second group here with Muskegon Water. Starting out today, inside classroom, little demonstration, and then be working in the trees tomorrow. So looking forward to that. Beautiful, beautiful lake here too. It's amazing, or as you travel around the country, what kind of sights you can see.
Let's see how that's positioned. How far up did you cut out from that?
Started off in classroom today and ended up out with the 3 cherry trees that were kind of growing close together. Had some forward lean, some back lean, and some side lean. Went very, very nice. And guys were all amazed. It's a good group, good talkative group, a lot of questions. And tomorrow we've got some marked pine trees, I think, up in their area to clear out. And then open it up for a little bit of a storage area. And so we've got that to work with tomorrow. Weather's supposed to be good again tomorrow. It's about 65 degrees. Just absolutely beautiful out here. Gorgeous lake. Saw a bald eagle flying by a while ago, and looking forward to try to get a little closer to that for some pictures today or tomorrow. But all is looking good. Got about 10 trees here marked in their debris area. Kind of expanding this out a little bit. So these are the takedowns for today's training. Start on that side closer to you. And then come around, look in the slot. Level up, go, go. They got it a little bit down. That's good. All right, come over here. Go through the middle, set up your 1.25 inches, right? Level up to here, go. Nice and straight. Just cut up to 1.25 inches there. To the back. Alright, so you want to put a wedge in it or not? Huh? Is it leaning forward or is it chance it can sit back? Look up now. Did it sit back?
Maybe a little bit.
Okay. So let's pull your saw out. Go back just a little more. Straight back. Alright, pull your saw out some. On out. And just cut out the back now. Now we got a place for a wedge. We're going to set the wedge in there. Now you just cut that back strap off. If it starts to move, we go away, right? If not, we'll drive the wedge. Did you get that whole side over there? You did, didn't you? Good?
Oh,
Huh?
I'm not level on that side. I went down.
You're all right. You're okay.
Look.
You're all right. You're all right. So now all you gotta do is drive the wedge. So shut the saw off. Shut the saw off. Set it out of your way. Take the hammer, drive the wedge. As soon as you see that gap growing, then you're gonna head back here. And we're gonna get back there quick because that thing's gonna throw some limbs off of that.
Keep going.
Yeah, it's, I think, touching on that limb. We gotta keep driving.
Okay.
Instead of bunting, you can bat. So you don't have to have so much strength into it. So kind of back off a little bit like batting. Instead of bunting, you got your hand way up next to the hammer. So that's 6 pounds. So when you swing it, see, that gives you some momentum. So just kind of back up a little bit and hit it. You're doing good. You're hitting it every time. Okay, she's gone. Let's go. Go, go.